Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we bring you a top 100 multiple choice questions with detailed explanation based on the most important topics in computer science. This is not just a quiz, it's a complete learning session where you will understand every concept clearly. In this video, we will cover Internet of Things, that is IoT, edge computing, quantum computing, augmented reality, that is AR, and virtual reality, that is VR, and 6G technology. So keep your pen and paper ready, note down your score and see how well you perform out of the 100. Let's get started and challenge your knowledge. Question number 1. What is the Internet of Things? That is the IoT. A network of only computers. B. A network of physical devices connected to the Internet. C. A programming language. D. A database system. And the answer is B, a network of physical devices connected to the Internet. The Internet of Things, that is the IoT, refers to a system where physical devices such as sensors, smart appliances, vehicles, and wearables are connected to the Internet. These devices can collect, transmit, and exchange data automatically without human intervention. IoT plays a crucial role in automation, smart home, healthcare, and industrial applications. Okay, that's why our answer is B, a network of physical devices connected to the Internet. Which protocol is most suitable for IoT communication? A. FTP, B. SMTP, C. MQTT, D. HTTP. Answer is C. MQTT. MQTT, that is the message queuing telemetry transport, is a lightweight messaging protocol designed specifically for IoT environment. It uses minimal bandwidth and work efficiently even in the low power devices, making it ideal for the sensor based communication. That's why our answer is C, MQTT. Which of the following is an example of an IoT device? A. Keyboard, B. Smart thermostat, C. Printer, that is the non-network, and D. Monitor. Answer is B. Smart thermostat. A smart thermostat is an IoT device because it connects to the Internet, collect environmental data, and automatically adjust the temperature settings. Unlike traditional devices, IoT devices are intelligent and interconnected. That's why answer is B. Which type of communication is mainly used in an IoT system? A. Mechanical, B. Optical, C. Wireless, D. Analog only. Answer is C. Wireless. IoT systems primarily rely on wireless communication technology such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Zigbee, and LoRa. Okay, these technologies allow devices to communicate without the physical cable, making them flexible and scalable. That's why our answer is C, wireless. What is the primary function of sensors in IoT? A. Store data, B. Process data, C. Collect environmental data, D. Display data. Answer is C. Collect environmental data. Sensors are input devices in IoT system that detect the physical conditions such as temperature, humidity, pressure, motion, etc. They collect real-time data and send it to the processing system for the analysis and the action. That's why our answer is C, collect environmental data. Which layer in IoT architecture is responsible for data transmission? A. Perception layer, B. Network layer, C. Application layer, D. Business layer. Answer is B. Network layer. The network layer is responsible for transmitting data collected from sensor, that is the perception layer, to other systems like cloud platforms or the servers. It ensures the proper communication between the devices. That's why answer is B. Network layer. What is a major advantage of IoT technology? A. Increase manual work, B. Automation and efficiency, C. Reduce connectivity, D. High cost always. Answer is B. Automation and efficiency. IoT automates the tasks such as controlling appliances, monitoring system, and collecting data. This reduces the human effort and increases the efficiency, accuracy, and productivity. Okay. Which short-range communication technology is commonly used in IoT? A. Satellite, B. Fiber optic, C. Bluetooth, D. DSL. Answer is C. Bluetooth. Bluetooth is widely used in IoT for short distance communication between devices such as smartphones, wearable, and home automation system. Remember this. What is one of the biggest challenges in IoT system? A. Screen resolution, B. Data security and privacy, C. File size, D. Hardware color. Answer is B. Data security and privacy. Since the IoT devices are connected to the Internet and constantly exchange data, they are vulnerable to the cyber attacks. Ensuring data security and privacy is one of the biggest challenges in IoT. Remember this. That's why our answer is B. Data security and privacy. IoT system generally what type of data? A. Static data, B. Big data, C. No data, D. Limited data. Answer is B. Big data. IoT devices continuously generate the large volume of data from sensor and devices. This massive data is referred to as a big data and requires the advanced tool for storage and analysis. Which device is considered an IoT wearable? A. Desktop computer, B. Smartwatch, C. Printer, D. Scanner. Answer is B. Smartwatch. A smartwatch collects the health and activity data and connects to a smartphone or the cloud, making it a wearable IoT device. What is Zigbee used for in IoT? A. Long range communication, B. Short range low power communication, C. Data storage, D. High speed internet. Answer is B. Short range low power communication. Zigbee is a low power wireless communication protocol used for short range communication, ideal for battery powered IoT devices. Okay. What is RFID mainly used for? A. Data processing, B. Tracking and identification, C. Storage, D. Encryption. Answer is B. Tracking and identification. RFID, that is the radio frequency identification, is used to track object using the tags and readers. Okay, commonly used in logistic and the inventory system. IoT plays a major role in which area? A. Manual bookkeeping, B. Smart cities, C. Typewriting, D. Painting. Answer is B. Smart cities. IoT enables the smart city application like traffic management, smart lighting, waste management and the surveillance system. That's why answer is B. Smart cities. Where is IoT data commonly processed? A. Cloud platform, B. Paper files, C. Offline storage only, D. Manual registers. Answer is A. Cloud platform. Cloud computing platforms are widely used to store and process the IoT data due to their scalability and the computing power. What is the function of an IoT gateway? A. Printing data, B. Connecting device to the cloud, C. Deleting data, D. Displaying data. Answer is B. Connecting device to the cloud. An IoT gateway acts as a bridge between devices and cloud system, enabling communication and the data transfer. That's why our answer is B. Connecting device to the cloud. What is essential for IoT operation? A. Paper system, B. Internet connectivity, C. Manual labor, D. Offline system. Answer is B. Internet connectivity. IoT devices require internet connectivity to communicate and share the data. Which is an IoT application? A. Smart home, B. Notebook, C. Chalkboard, D. Manual clock. Answer is A. Smart home. Smart homes use the IoT devices like smart light, thermostat and security system. What is an actuator in IoT? A. Data collector, B. Device that perform action, C. Storage device, D. Input device. Answer is B. Device that perform the actions. An actuator receives the signal from the system and perform the actions like turning on a motor or the switching light. Next section is for the edge computing. What is an edge computing? A. Centralized cloud processing, B. Processing data near the source, C. Offline computing, D. Manual computing. Answer is B. Processing data near the source. Edge computing processes the data closer to where it is generated. For example, IoT devices, reducing the latency and improving efficiency compared to cloud computing. What is the main benefit of edge computing? A. High delay, B. Low latency, C. Increase the bandwidth usage, D. Slow processing. Answer is B. Low latency. Edge computing reduces the latency because the data does not need to travel to distant servers. Okay. Edge computing is most commonly associated with which technology? A. IoT, B. Typewriter, C. Book, D. Analog signal. Answer is A. IoT. Edge computing is closely linked with the IoT because IoT devices generate the massive real-time data. Okay. Processing these data at the edge, that is the near the device, reduces the latency and improves the performance instead of sending everything to the cloud. Okay. That's why answer is A. IoT. Which of the following is the opposite concept of edge computing? A. Fog computing, B. Cloud computing, C. Parallel computing, D. Grid computing. Answer is B. Cloud computing. Cloud computing processes the data in a centralized data centers, whereas edge computing processes it near the data source. Hence, cloud computing is considered in the opposite approach. Which device can act as an edge device? A. Router, B. Notebook, C. Chair, D. Table. Answer is A. Router. Devices such as routers, gateway and smart cameras can process the data locally and act as edge devices in an edge computing system. Edge computing helps in reducing A. Bandwidth usage, B. CPU performance, C. RAM usage, D. Storage capacity. Answer is A. Bandwidth usage. Since data is processed locally, less data is sent to the cloud, which significantly reduces the bandwidth consumption. That's why our answer is A, bandwidth usage. Edge computing is crucial in which application? A. Autonomous vehicle, B. Writing notes, C. Printing documents, D. Manual calculation. Answer is A. Autonomous vehicle. Autonomous vehicles require the real-time decision making, which is only possible with the edge computing due to its low latency. In edge computing, data is processed A. Locally near the source, B. Only in cloud, C. Manually, D. Offline only. Answer is A. Locally near the source. The main concept of edge computing is the local processing of data near the device. That's why answer is A. Locally near the source. Edge computing improves A. Real-time processing, B. Delay, C. Errors, D. Cost. Answer is A. Real-time processing. By processing data closer to the source, edge computing enables the faster responses and the real-time analytics. Remember this. Edge computing works effectively with A. Artificial intelligence, B. Ink, C. Paper, D. Chalk. Answer is A. Artificial intelligence. AI models can run on edge devices to analyze data instantly, enabling the smart applications like the facial recognition. Okay. Edge computing reduces dependency on A. Cloud server, B. CPU, C. Keyboard, D. Monitor. Answer is A. Cloud server. Since processing happens locally, so reliance on centralized cloud infrastructure is reduced. That's why answer is A. Cloud server. Edge computing reduces dependency on the cloud servers. Edge computing provides A. Faster response time, B. Slow processing, C. High delay, D. Low efficiency. Answer is A. Faster response time. Processing at the edge reduces the latency and ensures the quick responses. Edge computing is used in healthcare for A. Real-time patient monitoring, B. Printing the reports, C. Writing notes, and D. Filling papers. Answer is A. Real-time patient monitoring. Wearable devices monitor patient health and process the data instantly using this edge computing. A key feature of edge computing is A. Decentralization, B. Centralization, C. Manual operation, D. Offline processing. Answer is A. Decentralization. Edge computing distributes processing across the multiple devices instead of relying on a central system. Compared to cloud computing, edge computing is A. Faster in response, B. Slower, C. Same, D. Less efficient. Answer is A. Faster in response. Edge computing reduces the latency by avoiding the long distance data transmission. That's our answer is A. Faster in response. Edge computing supports A. Large scale IoT deployment, B. Manual system, C. Paper system, D. Offline system. Answer is A. Large scale IoT deployment. It enables the efficient management of large IoT networks. Edge computing enables A. Real-time analytics, B. Manual analytics, C. Delay analytics, D. No analytics. Answer is A. Real-time analytics. Data is processed instantly, enabling the real-time insight. That's why answer is A. Real-time analytics. Edge gateway performs A. Data processing and communication, B. Printing, C. Storage only, D. Typing. Answer is A. Data processing and the communication. Edge gateway connect devices and process data locally before sending it further. That's why edge gateway performs data processing and communication. Okay. Edge computing improves the overall system. A. Efficiency, B. Delay, C. Errors, D. Cost. Answer is A. Efficiency. It enhances the performance, reduces latency and optimizes the resource usage. Next section is for the quantum computing. What is the basic unit of quantum computing? A. Bit, B. Byte, C. Qubit, D. Nibble. Answer is C. Qubit. A qubit, that is the quantum bit, can exist in multiple states simultaneously due to superposition, unlike the classical bit. Okay. Which concept allows the qubit to exist in a multiple state? A. Superposition, B. Encryption, C. Compression, D. Compilation. Answer is A. Superposition. Superposition allows a qubit to represent both 0 and 1 at the same time. That's why answer is A. What is the quantum entanglement? A. Independent state, B. Link quantum state, C. Data storage, D. Slow processing. Answer is B. Link quantum states. Entanglement links qubits so that the state of one affects the other instantly. That's why answer is B. Quantum computing is useful for A. Complex problem solving, B. Typing, C. Writing, D. Drawing. Answer is A. Complex problem solving. It can solve the complex problems much faster than the classical computers. Which algorithm is used in quantum computing? A. Shor's algorithm, B. Bubble sort, C. Linear search, D. DFS. Answer is A. Shor's algorithm. A Shor's algorithm is used for factoring the large number efficiently. That's why answer is A. Shor's algorithm. Quantum computing is faster due to A. Parallel processing, B. Manual processing, C. Slow circuit, D. Low memory. Answer is A. Parallel processing. Superposition allows the parallel computation. That's why quantum computing is faster due to the parallel processing. Qubits can represent A. Only 0, B. Only 1, C. Both 0 and 1 simultaneously, D. None. Answer is C. Both 0 and 1 simultaneously. This is due to the superposition. Qubits can represent both 0 and 1 simultaneously. Quantum computing is used in A. Cryptography, B. Painting, C. Writing, D. Printing. Answer is A. Cryptography. It can break and create the advanced encryption systems. A limitation of quantum computing: A. Instability, B. High speed, C. Efficiency, D. Accuracy. Answer is A. Instability. Qubits are highly sensitive to environmental disturbance. That's why answer is A. Quantum computer require A. Very low temperature, B. High temperature, C. Room temperature always, D. No cooling. Answer is A. Very low temperature. They operate near absolute zero to maintain stability. That's why quantum computer require very low temperature. Quantum gates are used for A. Processing qubits, B. Printing, C. Storage, D. Writing. Answer is A. Processing qubits. Quantum gates manipulate qubits. That's why the quantum gates are used for the processing qubits. Quantum computing helps in A. Drug discovery, B. Typing, C. Drawing, D. Printing. Answer is A. Drug discovery. It can simulate molecular interaction efficiently. That's why quantum computing helps in drug discovery. Companies working on quantum computing: A. IBM, B. Google, C. Both A and B, D. None. Answer is both A and B. Both companies are leaders in quantum research. Quantum computing is based on A. Quantum mechanics, B. Classical physics, C. Chemistry, D. Biology. Answer is A. Quantum mechanics. It uses the principle like superposition and entanglement. Quantum computers are mainly used for A. Research, B. Typing, C. Printing, D. Gaming. Answer is A. Research. Currently used in advanced scientific research. What is the major advantage of quantum computing over the classical computing? A. High speed computation, B. Low memory usage, C. Simple hardware, D. Easy programming. Answer is A. High speed computation. Quantum computers can perform multiple calculations simultaneously due to superposition and parallelism. This allows them to solve the complex problems much faster than the classical computers, especially in fields like cryptography and optimization. Quantum computing is highly useful in which field? A. AI optimization, B. Manual writing, C. Printing, D. Basic calculations. Answer is A. AI optimization. Quantum computing can optimize complex AI models by processing large dataset and exploring multiple solutions simultaneously, improving machine learning performance. That's why our answer is AI optimization. What is a major challenge in quantum computing? A. Error correction, B. Speed, C. Storage, D. Graphics. Answer is A. Error correction. Quantum systems are extremely sensitive to environmental noise, leading to errors. Developing effective quantum error correction technique is one of the biggest challenges in the field. That's why answer is A. Error correction. Quantum computing is expected to contribute mainly to A. High performance computing, B. Drawing, C. Printing, D. Basic arithmetic. Answer is A. High performance computing. Quantum computing is designed to solve complex computational problems that are beyond the capabilities of classical supercomputers, making it a key technology for high performance computing. Remember this. Quantum computing is not suitable for A. Simple everyday tasks, B. Scientific simulations, C. Cryptography, D. Optimization problem. Answer is A. Simple everyday task. Quantum computing is highly designed for highly complex problems. For simple tasks like word processing or the basic calculation, classical computers are more efficient and practical. Next section is the AR and VR. AR stands for A. Augmented reality, B. Artificial reality, C. Advanced reality, D. Actual reality. Answer is A. Augmented reality. Augmented reality, that is the AR, enhances the real world environment by overlaying digital elements such as images, sounds or the text. Okay. VR stand for A. Virtual reality, B. Visual reality, C. Variable reality, D. Verified reality. Answer is A. Virtual reality. Virtual reality, that is the VR, creates a fully immersive digital environment that replaces the real world. What does AR primarily do? A. Replaces the real world. B. Adds digital elements to real world. C. Deletes the real environment. D. Stores the data. Answer is B. Adds digital elements to real world. AR enhances the real environmental by adding the digital overlays without replacing it completely. VR creates A. Partial environment, B. Fully virtual environment, C. Real environment, D. Offline environment. Answer is B. Fully virtual environment. VR immerses users in a completely artificial environment using the headsets. Which device is required for the VR? A. Keyboard, B. VR headset, C. Printer, D. Mouse. Answer is B. VR headset. VR headsets like the Oculus or HTC Viva can essentially for experiencing the virtual environment. AR is commonly used in A. Mobile applications, B. Paper system, C. Typing, D. Printing. Answer is A. Mobile applications. AR is widely used in mobile apps like Pokemon Go and navigation system. Okay, so AR is commonly used in mobile application. VR is widely used in A. Gaming, B. Typing, C. Writing, D. Drawing. Answer is A. Gaming. VR provides the immersive gaming experience. So VR is widely used in gaming. AR is used in education for A. Interactive learning, B. Writing, C. Printing, D. Storage. Answer is A. Interactive learning. AR helps visualize concepts like 3D model in education. VR is used in training for A. Simulations, B. Writing, C. Drawing, D. Storage. Answer is A. Simulations. VR is used in flight simulators, medical training, etc. That's why answer is VR is used in training for the simulations. AR works using A. Cameras and sensors, B. Keyboard, C. Printer, D. Mouse. Answer is A. Camera and sensors. AR system use the cameras to capture the real world and overlay digital content. VR provides A. Full immersion, B. Partial immersion, C. No immersion, D. Manual interaction. Answer is A. Full immersion. VR blocks the real world and immerses the user completely. That's why VR provides the full immersion. AR provides A. Full immersion, B. Partial immersion, C. No immersion, D. Offline system. Answer is B. Partial immersion. AR combines real and virtual elements, so immersion is partial. Mixed reality is A. Combination of AR and VR, B. Only VR, C. Only AR, D. None. Answer is A. Combination of AR and VR. Mixed reality blends the real and virtual worlds interactively. So the mixed reality is combination of AR and VR. AR VR is used in healthcare for A. Training, B. Writing, C. Printing, D. Storage. Answer is A. Training. Doctor use the AR VR for surgical simulations and the training purpose. VR headset blocks A. Real world view, B. Digital view, C. Data, D. Storage. Answer is A. Real world view. VR replaces the real world visuals with the virtual ones. AR enhances A. Real environment, B. Virtual only, C. Offline system, D. Storage. Answer is A. Real environment. AR adds digital information to real surroundings. VR requires A. High processing power, B. Low power, C. No power, D. Manual work. Answer is A. High processing power. VR system require the powerful hardware for rendering 3D environments. AR VR is used in A. Entertainment industry, B. Typing, C. Printing, D. Filling. Answer is A. Entertainment industry. Widely used in movies, gaming and interactive media. VR creates environmental using A. Computer graphics, B. Paper, C. Ink, D. Chalk. Answer is A. Computer graphics. VR uses advanced graphics to simulate the reality. AR/VR technology improves A. User experience, B. Delay, C. Errors, D. Cost. Answer is A. User experience. It enhances the interaction and the engagement. Section is for the 6G technology. 6G is successor of A 4G, B 5G, C 3G, D Wi-Fi. Answer is B 5G. 6G is the next generation after the 5G, expected to revolutionize the communication. Expected speed of 6G is A Mbps, B Gbps, C Tbps, D Kbps. Answer is C Tbps. 6G aims to deliver the speed in a terabyte per second, much faster than the 5G. That's why our answer is C Tbps, that is the terabyte per second. 6G technology uses A. terahertz waves, B. radio waves only, C. optical cables, D. copper wire. Answer is A. terahertz waves. 6G is expected to use terahertz frequency band for the ultra high speed communication. 6G aims to provide A. ultra low latency, B. high delay, C. slow speed, D. manual communication. Answer is A. ultra low latency. Latency in 6G will be extremely low, enabling the real-time communication. 6G network will integrate A. artificial intelligence, B. paper system, C. manual work, D. offline system. Answer is A. artificial intelligence. AI will be integrated for smarter network management. That's why 6G network will integrate artificial intelligence, that is AI. 6G support A. smart cities, B. typing, C. printing, D. writing. Answer is A. smart cities. 6G will power the smart city infrastructure. 6G enables A. holographic communication, B. voice only, C. text only, D. offline messaging. Answer is A. holographic communication. 6G may support 3D holographic communication. Okay. 6G will support A. massive IoT, B. small system, C. offline work, D. manual work. Answer is A. massive IoT. It will connect billions of devices efficiently. That's why 6G will support the massive IoT. 6G network will be A. AI driven, B. manual, C. offline, D. static. Answer is A. AI driven. AI will optimize the network performance. That's why 6G network will be the AI driven. 6G is expected to improve A. reliability, B. delay, C. errors, D. cost. Answer is A. reliability. 6G will provide the high reliable communication. 6G integrates A. satellite communication, B. paper system, C. manual work, D. offline network. Answer is A. satellite communication. It will combine the terrestrial and the satellite networks. Okay. 6G support A. Industry 5.0, B. manual system, C. typing, D. writing. Answer is A. Industry 5.0. It will enable the advanced industrial automation. 6G improves A. energy efficiency, B. power usage, C. delay, D. error. Answer is A. energy efficiency. Efficient communication reduces the energy consumption. 6G is currently in A. research phase, B. fully developed, C. outdated, D. remove. Answer is A. research phase. 6G is still under development and the research. 6G enables A. smart healthcare, B. manual system, C. offline work, D. paper system. Answer is A. smart healthcare. Real-time remote surgeries and monitoring will be possible. 6G will provide A. global connectivity, B. local only, C. offline, D. manual. Answer is A. global connectivity. It aims to provide the seamless global communication. 6G improves data transmission speed, B. delay, C. errors, D. cost. Answer is A. data transmission speed. Speed will be significantly higher than the previous generation. That's why 6G improves the data transmission speed. 6G supports A. advanced applications, B. manual work, C. typing, D. printing. Answer is A. advanced applications. Applications like AI, VR and smart system will benefit. 6G will be A. highly reliable, B. slow, C. manual, D. offline. Answer is A. highly reliable. Reliability will be a key feature in the 6G. 6G represents A. future of communication, B. past technology, C. manual system, D. offline system. Answer is A. future of communication. 6G is expected to revolutionize the global communication system with the advanced technology. Okay, so 6G represents the future of communication. Alright friends, that is for today's quiz. How many questions did you get right out of 100? Let me know your score in the comment below. If you found this video helpful, like the video, share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe for more MCQ quizzes and tech content. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.